So this game is called the Twitter Pitch Challenge. And
gosh.
basically, Twitter is known for its 280 character limit on every tweet, which sometimes makes it a little difficult to convey your thoughts. So it takes about 20 seconds to speak to 80 characters, and that's the challenge that we're transferring to you, which is to explain to us Humm Care in 20 seconds. But it's not that easy. You also need to use one emoji and one hashtag in your tweet.
Great. Okay.
Cool. Are you ready? So Janvi is going to show you a timer to intimidate you a little bit.
Okay. Go for it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Humm Care handshake emoji is the future of family building healthcare and women's health through the entire family building journey, fertility, family planning, pregnancy, postpartum care for people and organizations. Hashtag healthcare.
Yes, that was 18 seconds. So,
Solid.
Okay.
yeah, under 20, and that's what the goal was. But yeah, really like good description in terms of like what you'll focus on, right? And I liked how you said it was like for people and organizations and not just
Organization.
yeah.